Hey guys, today I'm going to install this profile design threadless converter on my Track 720 Multitrack. This adapter converts the 1-inch quill stem to 1 1/8 inches threadless stem. The build quality of this product is intact and the fitment is just right. Not too tight to put in and not too loose to have movement in between the stereo tube and adapter. Before installing the stem, put it in and see if you can meet the minimum insertion. Find out the height you want to put it. Take it out and install the stem and spacers. Tighten the top bolt. Turn and adjust the handlebar and finally tighten the stem bolts to finish it up.